2018 Kia Optima Hybrid Review. The 2018 Kia Optima Hybrid is stylish, efficient and feature-rich. We such as Kia Optima sedan for offering plenty of features your money can buy, plus a well-designed interior plus a quiet ride. Adding a hybrid powertrain that's both more robust and much more fuel efficient compared to standard gasoline engine might appear to be a no-brainer. The biggest trade-off for that hybrid powertrain would be the loss of some cargo space, which drops by 2.5 cubic feet. The available 6,040 split folding rear seats do show that extra space is accessible. The Optima Hybrid is additionally limited to higher trim levels, so if you feel looking for the basic hybrid, it might not be your vehicle for you. The Optima Hybrid certainly produces a case for itself within the segment, too. While we just like the driving connections with the Ford Fusion Hybrid, this is an older model as opposed to Optima Plus need of a refresh. The new Toyota Camry Hybrid is incredibly efficient but offers fewer features as well as a less usable infotainment interface. The biggest wild card might be the Honda Accord Hybrid, due out later this coming year. It's depending on our current favorite mid-size sedan. Also, it loses no cargo space from the electrification process. What's new? For 2018 the Optima Hybrid carries finished only minor changes to color options and trim level content. We think the X will probably be worth the extra money. It includes the premium trim's optional features, including blind spot monitoring and acoustic insulated front windows, and adds both useful features and luxuries. For starters, you have 6,040 split folding rear seats, leather upholstery, heated front seats, LED daytime running lights, as well as an upgraded infotainment system and stereo. The X boasts access to more optional active precautionary features and driver aids. Trim levels and features. The front-wheel drive 2018 Kia Optima Hybrid is well equipped whatever version you ultimately choose. The entry-level premium is included with dual-zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and keyless entry and ignition. The premium's convenience package comes with a good value for the extra features you have, whilst the X takes that product adds goodies including leather upholstery plus a kicking Harman Kardon head unit. An electric motor plus a 2.0-litre engine combine to generate 192 horsepower. Most hybrids possess a continuously variable automatic transmission. Nevertheless, the Optima Hybrid sticks having a 6-speed automatic transmission which gives a more traditional shifting feel. The premium trim is included with many standard features, including 16-inch wheels, heated mirrors, a rear-view camera, keyless entry and ignition, a motorist information display, dual-zone automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionality, a 7-inch touch screen, plus a 6-speaker subwoofer with satellite radio. The available convenience package adds power folding mirrors, laminated front windows that can help noise reduction, an electricity driver seat with memory settings, rear vents, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, rear parking sensors and other USB ports. The X contains the convenience package as standard without as much parking sensors and blind spot monitoring and adds 17-inch wheels, LED daytime running lights, a heated tire, heated front seats, leather upholstery, 6,040 split folding rear seats, an 8-inch touch screen, navigation, plus a 10-speaker Harman Kardon speakers with HD radio. You can't obtain a more luxurious Optima Hybrid as opposed to X built with a technology package, which adds LED adaptive headlights, automatic high beam control, a panoramic sunroof, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, adaptive cruise control, an electrical passenger seat, ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, rear side window sunshades, lane departure warning, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring and rear parking sensors. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions, although trim levels share many aspects. Though we have now not fully tested the revolutionary Optima Hybrid yet, we could glean some insight by relating our opinions from the full test from the 2016 Kia Optima LX Turbo 1.6 litres flat 4, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, FWD. The two cars have different engines. Quite a few other opinions still affect the hybrid. Driving. Though we've not driven the 2018 Optima Hybrid yet, we now have tested the mechanically related Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. We expect the Optima will distance themselves smoothly coming from a stop on account of initial electric-only power. Outright performance and handling, however, will tend to be a bit disappointing. Comfort. The regular Optima sedan delivers a smooth ride on lots of pavement, as well as the cabin is quiet at highway speeds. We're not as thrilled with all the seats, though. Seat comfort. Heated front seats are standard, ventilated seats and heated rear seats are options. The front seats are roomy but lack lateral side bolstering. The rear seats are spacious, however the low-mounted cushion may lack support for average-size adults. Ride comfort. The regular Optima sedan absorbs small, high-frequency bumps pretty much for an overall smooth ride. Larger undulations cause some jostling, but not much more compared to rivals in this particular class. The hybrid's ride quality should be that different in spite of the different powertrain. Interior. The Optima's interior, no matter model or trim, isn't especially exciting visually. That said, it serves its functions well. The feature set enables you to feel as if you're finding a lot more your money can buy, even though quality of materials feels a tad mediocre. Is useful. We are for the Optima high marks for the easy-to-use infotainment system and watchable physical buttons which can be logically placed. The primary controls are typical within reach, and there is no guesswork with buttons that are somewhat out in the way. Getting and jetting out. The tall door openings free of obstructions allow passengers gain access to their seats with little difficulty. The doors are adequately short in size to provide access in tight parking spots. Roominess. The front seats have sufficient space for larger passengers, along with the range of adjustments will handle short and tall occupants. The rear outboard seats make use of an abundance of legroom, but headroom is just adequate for adults of average height. Visibility. The Optima's cabin feels big and airy on account of large windows and narrow roof pillars. Nevertheless, the high rear deck lid and rear seat headrests obscure rearward view. The standard rear view camera and optional parking sensors help in reducing blind spots. Quality. Plenty of plastic can be used throughout the interior, however it's sturdy as well as the texture is visually appealing. The car feels as solid just like any other sedan within the class. Utility. With 13.4 cubic feet of storage, trunk space is slightly over the class average to get a mid-size hybrid sedan. It gains extra points with the 6,040 split rear seats inside the X model, although the opening is for the small side. Inside, there's an abundance of space form of hosting items within the many bins and pockets. Technology. Kudos to Kia to have an easy-to-use infotainment system with high-quality graphics and lots of redundant physical buttons so that you don't get lost in menus. Standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are appreciated. Audio and navigation. Like Kia itself, the touchscreen interface prefers function to make. There's nothing flashy, it is just easy to use and competent. The navigation product is fine, but we'd like it attempted to predict street and city names inside input screens. Driver aids. Most on the latest driver safety aids, including lane departure warning and forward collision warning, are optional about the Optima. A rear view camera is standard.